Hi everyone, I am Shekhar, and in this video we will be discussing about the ESP32 development board, and we will build one project using the ESP32 board. So we will start with what is ESP32. Okay, so ESP32 is a development board which you see on the right side. This is the ESP32 development board. So this has different component onto it, like the regulator circuit, the programming chips, buttons, then the microcontroller. So this ESP32 microcontroller the uh, is this part on the top. So it has both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in, and it is a very affordable and widely used microcontroller board in IoT and other sectors. It has a dual core processor, and it consumes very low power, and it has a rich sets of GPIO pins. So where is this ESP32 board used? These are used in smart home devices, wearable robots, industrial IoT, and AI. So in order to do this project, we will be using the Wokwi interface. For that, you have to come to this wokwi.com, and this is the Wokwi website. So this is a browser-based simulation where you will get different development board and component, and you can connect them and build circuits so that you can simulate and see the results. So Wokwi supports different microcontroller board like the Arduino Uno development board, ESP32, STM32, Raspberry Pi Pico, and it also has different supports for the programming languages. So to use the Wokwi, first you need to sign up to this Wokwi, and after you have signed up, you can click on your profile and go to My Projects. So we are building our first project, so I will just click on New Project. After that, it will ask you which development board you need to work on. So in our case, it is the ESP32 board. So I will click on that. After that, it will ask you for which IDE, like Arduino or MicroPython or any other. So in my case, I will be using the Arduino interface. So once you click on it, you can see the on the left side you have the sketching part, or the code part where you will write the code and manage your libraries. On the right side we have the simulation window, in which you can see this ESP32 board is in this interface because we clicked on the ESP32 board, and you can arrange all of your component in this window and draw the wiring and simulate them. So in Wokwi, this is the interface what we will be having. So what we can do is we can start by adding some component. So in this project we will be using the LED. So click on this plus button which says add a new part, and then search for LED. You can see this LED is listed here. Click on it. Now you can see the LED appears in this window. You can left click on it and just move it to other side. You can zoom in by scrolling from your mouse or from your keypad. Now I will connect this LED to the one of the GPIO pins of the ESP32. I will also need a resistor. So again I will click on that add a new part and search for resistor. Once you click on this resistor, you can see right now it says brown, black, red as the color code, which is 1 kilo. But what if I need to change this to some other value? I can just change it by writing the value of the resistor and then select the units. Now it says red brown, which is 220 ohm. Now what I will do is I will have to connect the positive end of the LED to the resistor, and resistor will connect to one of the GPR pins. I will just move it somewhere here. So in order to do the wiring, first you need to identify the positive end of the LED. So come to the terminals of the LED, which says A, LED 1A, and another terminal as LED 1C. So A is for anode, C is for cathode. I will connect the A end by left clicking in this box, and then come to the resistor terminal and then click on this small box. Again, to wire it, left click. I have connected the LED via the resistor to the GPR pin. Now I will connect the cathode to ground. So I see the ground in this development board. I just click on it. Now if you want, you can change the color of the wire by left clicking on the wire and just select the colors. So I selected the black color. So this is how our basic circuit look like, and our circuit is ready. Now let's move to the coding part. I will come to the sketch and I will define the LED like as define LED pin is connected to 23 in this case. GPR 23, and then I will use the pin mode function to say that the LED is output. LED pin as output. Okay. So in the setup part, I have created the LED pin as output. After that, I will make this LED on for 1 second and again off for 1 second. For that, I will use the digital write function and make the LED pin high. So once the LED pin is high, I can add a delay of 1 second. So 1000 correspond to 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. Again, I will make the LED low. LED pin low, and then this 1 second delay. And so this is what our code look like. You can add some comments. Let's say LED pin is connected to GPIO 23. So to add the comment, you just have to use the double slash. Now our code is ready, our circuit is ready. I will go and click on the save button, which is on the top left. Click on save, and I will write blink LED with, okay, write the project name and click on save. Now once you save the project, you can see this green button which says start a simulation. You just have to click on that, and you can see now the simulation has started, and our LED is blinking for 1 second and it is off for 1 second. So this is how the simulation of our LED blinking look like. And I hope you have enjoyed the video. I I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.